All right, Gary, let's take a spin in this European Chrysler.
That's it, man.
These are pretty cool. 2004 Chrysler Crossfire. It basically has the same chassis as a Mercedes Benz SLK, so it's a 3.2 liter. It's got like a 215 horsepower.
Ooh.
I know, woo!
Lots of horsepower.
It's a small little car though.
Yeah.
It's got a 6-speed manual transmission, so sorry, some people won't be able to drive it. It's got heated seats, traction control. It's got, you know, ice cold air. It's got, you know, they're actually power heated seats. Power mirrors, fold away mirrors. They got staggered wheels. They got 18s and 19s.
Yeah, it feels good. I mean, I've never driven one of these before.
Yeah, it's a comfortable little car. It got plenty of power, actually, for, I guess, for its weight. You know, if you take it up in the RPMs.
Yeah, it goes six grand is the red line.
Yep. And these little 3.2 liter 6-cylinder Mercedes engines, they use them in taxi cabs in Germany. I mean, it's a pretty durable, you know, little engine. You can take care of it. It's got independent front and rear suspension, you know, so they handle real nice. Pretty cool. Air blows ice cold in this one, which is good.
Yeah.
It has a little tail too, kind of like the Porsches do when you're driving.
Oh, when you're driving, it goes up?
Yep.
Ooh,
little
man.
active rear spoiler, they call it.
Yeah. Race car. You don't want to fly off the ground. I mean, you want that downforce.
Keep it stable. But this one's a one-owner, local car, super nice lady. Got it locally right here, and it's only got 52,000 miles on it for 2004. That's pretty low.
Yeah.
Put you back in the seat a little bit, huh?
Yeah. Got good acceleration. Wow.
Got the Infinity sound system, like a 6-speaker system with subwoofers from the factory. So, you know, they kind of loaded them up. It's called a Limited. They had almost everything except for the, they had a supercharged version that had a lot more horsepower, but this is simple to maintain and got enough power to get you in trouble.
That's right, yeah. That's a good little driver.
We'll take some pictures up here. All right, here's our little 2004 Chrysler Crossfire. Pretty interesting car. I mean, these things basically have a Mercedes Benz drivetrain in them. It's a Chrysler product, but Daimler Chrysler. And it's a Carmen body. I mean, some of the stuff I've learned about this car when we got it was pretty interesting. They didn't make them for a whole lot of years. Obviously, they didn't take off. But it's also why they're not, you know, this car was 35 grand brand new. It's 8 now. So it's like, it's a lot of car just to have some fun with. Cold air, nice German sport suspension, 3.2 liter V6, naturally aspirated, 215 horsepower. Doesn't sound like a whole lot, but you know what? In a 6-speed car with the right gearing and being lightweight, it actually goes pretty good. It's got 18 and 19-inch factory alloys on there and some performance tires. It has basically most of the creature comforts that you would have in most cars. It's got heated seats, power heated seats, leather. It's got the Infinity 6-speaker sound system. Nice, simple, basic interior. Telescopic, tilt telescopic steering wheel. Just a 2-seater, obviously. Really clean. We got both keys, got keyless, you know, entry as well. Got the dual exhaust coming out the center in the center dump. Pretty cool. Anyway, nice looking little car, fun to drive, and not a bunch of money. Here's the power plant in the Crossfire. It's a 3.2 liter Mercedes engine, basically. 6-speed manual transmission. You know, it's got all the stuff. It's got power steering and 4-wheel power disc brakes, analog brakes. You know, just a real simple little engine. These are very reliable. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Not a whole lot to see or hear under here. They put those covers on them so you don't know what's under there. Nice and quiet, no road noise. They got sound deadener. Little gills there inside. Like I mentioned earlier, little center exhaust. That's pretty cool. Well, if you want to check this one out in person, come on out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. You can speak to myself or Gary. Be happy to show you the car. Thanks for watching.